Hi, in this video I'm going to show you how to multiply numbers in Excel. Multiplying values in Excel cells allows you to perform quick and efficient calculations for data analysis, budgeting and various other tasks. So let's start the video. First, open up your Microsoft Excel. Here is a sample worksheet with two columns containing numbers. To multiply the numbers in column A by the numbers in column B, we will use a simple formula. So click on the cell where you want the result to appear. In this case, we will use the cell C2. Here type an equal sign. Now click on the cell A2. Then type an asterisk, which represents multiplication, and then click on cell B2. Now press enter. And there you go, the result of multiplication appears in cell C2. Now click on the cell C2 where you just type your formula. You will notice a small square at the bottom right corner of the cell. Click and drag this square down to apply the formula to the other cells in column C. So that's how to multiply in Excel. Thanks for watching.